Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to add animation to a text using the animated headline widget of the htmega plugin. So without wasting any time, let's get started. From the Elementor edit screen, search for the animated headline widget. Now drag the widget to a section. From this panel, you can select a layout for the animated headline. Now select an animation from here. Here you can add a text that you want to use before the animated text. Insert the words that you want to animate. Make sure that you separate these words using commas. Here you can set which word to display first. This widget will also allow you to add a text after the animated text. From the Style tab, you can control the necessary styles for every element of this widget. So that's it for this video, guys. If you need any support regarding this widget, please let us know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching this video.